Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you a simple, very easy math trick which you can do it anybody in the world. It's a very simple, very easy way to learn, and it's 100% right. I will also tell you the trick how you can use this trick with everybody else, and they'll be surprised too. So the easy way, let me start the trick with the person who's making this video. Think of a number.
Okay.
Multiply by 2.
Okay.
And add 10.
Okay.
And then divide the number by 2.
Okay.
And minus the number which you initially thought.
Okay.
Your answer is 5, is it?
Yes.
I'm gonna do it a couple of times. Think of a number.
Okay.
Multiply by 2.
Okay.
Add 4.
Okay.
Now you can divide the number by 2.
Okay.
And minus the number which you initially thought.
Okay.
Your answer is 2, right?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
So the easy way out in all this 3 times which I did, I'm gonna tell you how it works. So here's the way how this trick works. I'll tell you the 3 different ways, 3 different examples. 1, 2, and 3, right? The first time when I asked you to think of a number, for example, you thought the number 3, right? And in the second example, I again showed think of a number, you thought number 4. Another one, I told you think about the number, it's number 6, right? So first thing I did what? Multiply that number by 2. All these numbers, this will become 6, this will become 8, this will become 12. These all 3 numbers are different, right? Now, for example, I'm saying you add 4 over here. So you add 4 over here, you put add 4, right? They all multiply by 2, right? So over here you add 6, and over here you add 8, right? 3 different numbers, thought 3 different numbers are added. This will become what? 6 plus 4, 10, right? This will become 8 plus 6, 14, right? And this will become 12 plus 8, 20. 3 different numbers, right? Now what I told you guys, divide by 2. So all these numbers, they are divided by 2 now. Divide by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5, right? This divided by 2 is 7. This divided by 2 is 10. 3 different numbers. Now you subtract the number which you initially thought, which was 3, right? Here, 3, right? Minus 3. Over here you minus 4. And over here the initial number was 6. You subtract minus 6. What will be the answer? 2, 3, 4. Now these 3 numbers have a connection with a number which I told you to add. This number, and this number. What's the connection? The answer will always be the number which I already gave you, divide by 2. Over here I told you to add 4, the answer is 2. Over here I told you to add 6, the answer will be 3. Over here I told you to add 8, the answer will be the 4. I am not telling you the number which you initially thought. I am just telling you the number which is already in your mind. So in order to prove this trick, the cameraman, my nephew, is gonna do the trick on me, just to prove that this trick can never be wrong, and it is never gonna be wrong. You can do this trick with anybody, because the answer will always be the number, half of the number which you are giving it to me to add. Go ahead.
Think of a number.
Yeah, I already thought of it.
Times it by 2.
Done.
Add 6.
Done.
Divide it by 2.
Done.
Subtract the initial number.
Done.
Your answer was 6, but 3.
Yes. Done. So there's another example. What if everybody have a same number which they thought? For example, 2, right? First thing I'm going to tell them what? Multiply by 2. This will become 4, 4, 4. Now I gave all of them different numbers to add. Over here I told them to add 3. Over here I told them to add 4. Over here I told them to add 5. What will this become? 7, 8, 9. Now what I'm going to tell them? Divide by 2. This will become 3.5, 4, 4.5. Now they're gonna minus the number which you initially thought, which was 2, right? Minus 2. This will become 1.5. This will become 2. This will become 2.5. Now these three numbers have a connection with this one. This one have a connection with this one. This one have a connection with this one. What's the connection? The number, the answer will be always the half of the number which I gave them. 3, 4, 5. The half of 3 is 1.5. The half of 4 is 2. The half of 5 is 2.5. That's the whole trick is all over. Thank you for watching this whole video. I hope you learned this trick. It's a very simple, easy math trick which you can do and surprise every youngster who doesn't know about this trick. And thank me later. Have a good day, guys.